terlalu lako secretario.
Okay, front. Left ng konti, sir. Taas po. Yeah, that one is a white marble. Mayroon pang mas maputi dyan, ma'am. Hindi nyo nakita?
Saan?
Nakatabi ni ma'am. Right side is a mushroom. Dito sa right. Yeah, mushroom. You can light the top of mushroom. Masarap. Huwag yun ang ilawan, sir. Galit na yan. Okay, if you want to see the front area of cathedral, you can light the pile of giant candle. Yes, we have a three kings. The shadow is a look like a castle. Yung anino niya po, yan. Parang castle.